Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are making marshmallow fondant. But before we get started, be sure to hit the subscribe button down below and give me a thumbs up if you like this video. All right, let's get started. All right, ingredients for today's recipe. Wait, hold up guys. I need your help. I'm trying to hit 1,000 subscribers by the end of August. I need everyone to help out. Make sure you subscribe to this channel and share with everybody. I would really appreciate it. Thank you so much for all the support. All right, let's get back to the recipe. So we have 10 ounces of marshmallows. I like to use the minis, they melt better. 20 ounces of powdered sugar, 2 tablespoons of water, and 2 tablespoons of vegetable shortening. We'll start off by pouring the water right over the marshmallows. And we're just going to stir that up a bit just to coat the marshmallows. We'll go ahead and pop this in the microwave for 1 minute at full power. So it's going to be nice and smooth. You want to make sure there are no lumps left. If it's not melted all the way, you can go ahead and stick it back in at full power for about 15 seconds. Next up, we'll go ahead and grab the bowl to a stand mixer. I like to add in first the vegetable shortening because I like to coat the sides of the bowl with the shortening that prevents the marshmallows from sticking. And then we'll go ahead and pour in all of the marshmallow. And approximately 3/4 of the powdered sugar. Go ahead and place that on the stand mixer. I have this fitted with a dough hook. This mixture gets very thick and heavy, so we don't want to use the regular paddle attachment. So go ahead and turn this on low until everything is combined. It takes about only 1 minute or so. The mixture will start to pull away from the sides of the bowl and form a ball of dough. That looks about good there. So we'll go ahead and turn the mixer off. As you can see, it's pretty well combined and it's gotten extremely thick. Now we're going to go ahead and knead the rest by hand. It's still very sticky at this point, so I like to just rub some vegetable shortening on my hands to prevent it from sticking. So go ahead and pour this out and begin to knead. And as we're kneading, we'll gradually add in more powdered sugar. Now, depending on what climate you live in, you may not need all of the powdered sugar. The area that I'm in is very humid, so I did end up using all of the powdered sugar. But if you don't, that's perfectly fine. All in all, I kneaded this for approximately 5 minutes. You just want it to become nice and stretchy and pliable. So just like store-bought fondant, you can color the marshmallow fondant. It takes color very well. I like to use the gel food coloring. I would not recommend using the liquid food coloring. It just adds too much moisture to the fondant and will become wet and sticky. Plus the gel colors are very vibrant, so you don't need quite as much. There are a lot of uses for fondant, most commonly used for covering cakes to get that nice, smooth finish. The only problem with the fondant is most people don't like the taste, but this marshmallow fondant is amazing. But there are tons of uses. You can make figurines, you can roll it out very easily, make cutouts. So you can mold it into different shapes. You can make fondant flowers. Fondant has the consistency of Play-Doh. So here I'm just making a cute little rainbow with clouds. Alright, now any leftover fondant, you want to wrap that up in plastic. And store it in an airtight container for up to 3 months at room temperature, or up to 6 months in the freezer. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe down below, hit the like button, and I'll see you next time.